How's it going, guys? Back at it again. It's been a while since I made a YouTube video. It's really hard staying consistent with making these videos. But overall, trading's been going really well for me. Did well last month, did really well this month. This was a great week of trading for me. Last week was so-so, made a couple bad decisions, but this week was great. I have to work on being more consistent on making these videos, but I want to walk you through my trades today. I took one trade in Nvve. I've traded this stock like 4 times now, and I think I'm 4 for 4 on it, which is really good. I'm gonna walk you through this one. I made a little over $300 on this trade, so I'll walk you through it. I pull up the scanner at 8 a.m. Nothing looks good. There's TRNR. I'll show you that really quickly. I pull it up at 8 a.m. It's the only one, has a ton of volume, but it's really low priced and not much range for it to go up. It's like even if you get a good entry at $2, you're looking at $2.25, which really wasn't a perfect investment for the mental strain. So I thought it was going to be a no trade day, because I actually ended up taking a trade yesterday that was a small loser. I lost like $40, but it should have been a no trade day. And I was like, might be another no trade day today. I'll actually use my discipline. But then at 8:30, 8:35, Nvve ends up popping up. They get a great news catalyst. I'll show you 1 second. Here we go. Drag this over real quick. So Nvve ends up popping up. They get a $400 million contract for the next 4 years to provide services. So it's great news. Almost 100, so that's 100 million a year. Super low float stock. So I was like, all right, this is my new number one. My focus instantly went to this, and then I ended up doing some just looking at some of the statistics on it. So looking at the market cap, 3.4 million. I look at the float, 574,000. Look at how many people shorting, not many shorts. Look at the average volume, which is around 300,000. Another one of the softwares I use said 800,000, so we'll go. I went based off 800,000, but somewhere around there. When I pulled it up on a computer, it was at 5 million, which was 7 times its normal daily volume, which is good. So all right, this is worth looking at now. But so I marked the high right here at. I marked the high right here. I think it was 455. 455. Yeah, perfect. And then yesterday I hopped in at the very top of a stock looking for the break of 4. I ended up getting filled at 403. It went to 412, and then it dropped, and then it went back. I ended up selling for a small loss, which I told you. So I'm like, I'm not gonna do it today. I'm gonna let this pull back before I hop in. So it pulls back to 342. And okay, so now we have our range between 455 and 342. And there's an old guy from London or the UK. He has a video on YouTube. He calls trades like these balloon trades or hollow trades or something. I like the term because he says this move is made off of like hardly any volume. So then once it starts to pull back, there's nobody to catch it at all. So a lot of times I know as traders and momentum traders, you hop on right here looking for the parabolic breakout. When it starts to pull back, it pulls back really hard. Now you have a bad entry at the top and no trading plan because you don't know if it's going to go back all the way to where it started at 260. So I call them balloon trades or pop-up trades. So I'm trying to do better on those. Those are the ones I do the worst on statistically. I use TraderView to look at all my metrics and statistics. So I could just not trade them, but I think there's opportunity in them, so I want to work on becoming better at trading them. So I let it pull back. It goes back here. It closes at 363. I'm still not sure. It opens at 366, pulls back again. So now it's almost tested this 342 range twice. I'm like, all right, cool. I'm a little more confident. I hop in. I don't have my TIF changed. So I was trying to get filled at 350, 360. I didn't change it. So I had to go back, cancel my order. I was trying to buy 300 shares, cancel my order, change the TIF to good to extended or good to close. And then I end up buying 300 shares at 380. It pushes up some more. I get another 100 shares at 390, break a VWAP. It pushes up. I don't sell any. I was looking for a test of the high, and also I can show you this on a daily chart. There we go. So it looks like to me there was a gap fill from 498 to 558. So I was looking for this gap to get. Oh shit, maybe wait, give me 1 second. I'm looking at the right one. Actually, no, I'm tripping. I thought there was a gap fill right here at 555. I'm actually wrong. So there was no gap to get filled. So that actually changed how I should approach this, but it's cool. It was a green day. Mistakes are made sometimes. So I thought there was a gap fill to 559. It turns out there wasn't. So I was looking for this stock to go to 559. So I was gonna sell it like 530. Because usually those end up like popping up really quick like this one, and then you never can get out where you want unless you set a limit order, which I don't like to set limit orders, honestly. So right here I'm in with 500 shares. It goes up. I think I'm up like 100 and something dollars. It pulls back, comes down here, and now it looks like it's making higher lows to me, new supports right here. I buy another 100 shares, so now I'm in at 397 with 600 shares. It squeezes up, boom. I sell 350 right here, locking in, guaranteeing a great day. Squeezes up a little more. No, comes back, pulls back, drop down here. I sell 50 more at 360. So now I have 400. I have 200 shares left. It pulls back some more. Opens, squeezes up really quickly to 502. I couldn't get out right there. I ended up selling another 100 at 460, and then it pulls back. So I'm still looking for it. It pops up to 502 really quickly. No way I could have got out. I don't think anybody sold any shares at the top. If you did, let me know. Super impressive. But I couldn't. So it pulls back. I'm in now at 397, and I have a stop loss of 388. It pulls back, hits 380, pops up again, pulls back, starts going lower. Then I sell the remaining 100 shares, stop out there, and then I'm happy I did. It continues to sell off. Now look at doing the research back, making this video, I see that my gap fill hypothesis was wrong. So I probably would have walked away with more profit if I would have paid that somewhat more attention. But hindsight was a great trade. I give myself a B plus. I would give myself an A or A plus if I would have sold more shares up here at the top. But like I said, I made a mistake with the gap fill hypothesis. So overall, really happy with this trade. It ended up having a ton of volume. I think it's, let me see, how much volume is it out in a day? Currently, it is at 52 million volume on a day. I think the most volume it ever had before today was 30 something million. So that was another part that went into my hypothesis. I was like, it's gonna have more volume than it ever had before. Overall, it's up from the original where it closed at yesterday. It's up about 70 cents or something like that, or 80 cents, which is good. Wish it could have broke through this $5 and really went parabolic. I thought it would. So super low flow, number one leading gainer, ton of volume. Thought it was clear. Probably was. It had the 200 EMA was at $8.78, or no, $18.78. So I thought it had more potential. It did well though. Overall, happy with this trade. This week was really good, and I'm going to be more consistent, making more videos. Um, trying to see if I have anything else to say about this. If you have any questions or you want to talk about trading, let me know. You can message me here. If you learned anything from this video, please leave a like, share, comment, tell a friend, and we'll be back at it again on Monday. Overall, great month of March. Great year so far of trading, doing really well, profitable, and continuing to work hard and become a better trader as to go. So we'll be back Monday. I'm out.